Gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but the parent of all the others. I now request Sir Albert to give the vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone present here for this function. Nature is a miracle. We depend upon, let's protect it, it's our home. Today, I take this opportunity to express all my gratitude in the form of words. Let me, first of all, start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. Someone said rightly, gratitude is the inward feeling of kindness received. Thankfulness is the nature impulse to express that feeling. Thanksgiving is the following of that impulse. On behalf of the school management and teachers, I would like to thank the most distinguished chief guest, Sister Navis Menezes, SFN sister, for sparing her precious time and consenting to be the chief guest of today's function. She accepted our invitation without any hesitation, as our sister has approached her and she has accepted this invitation. Thank you, sister, for that. Thank you, sister, for sharing your experiences of life, which you are going to share afterwards also with us here. I thank our respected manager, Sister Fausta, for gracing this occasion by her presence and guidance. Thank you, sister. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by our beloved headmistress, Sister Clarina Gonzalez. You have been a constant support and encouragement to all of us. Your passion and desire to support as a leader inspires and motivates us a lot. Thank you, sister. I would also like to thank PTA chairperson, Sir Eusebio, and his team for their presence this morning. Your encouragement always helps us to carry out important events like this. Thank you, sir, and Sir Kosasa. I would also like to thank everyone involved, front and behind the scene, to make this event happen. Leading from front, our own dynamic headmistress, who initiated this idea of celebrating Brahmavamsa in our school. Teachers involved in setting of stage, decoration, cleaning of hall and other elements. Our musicians, Teacher Nancy, Teacher Margaret, and our trainer, Teacher Antoinette, who has taken the pain to train all the teachers here. We thank you and God bless you all. I would like to thank our supporting staff, Mr. Ravi, Mrs. Loretta, Mrs. Suchitra, Pooja, Thelma, for cleaning this hall and surrounding area, and at the same time keeping the vases ready for planting the saplings. Thank you and God bless all of you. I thank all our teachers without whose help or helping hand this event would not have been possible. Thank you, teachers, for your cooperation for carrying on this program. Not forgetting Mr. Richard Pereira, who has captured this precious moments of this program. Thank you, Richard, and God bless you abundantly. Execution of any event is an orderly manner is the key to success. Last but not least, I thank teacher Trenia Barreto for comparing this event so efficiently. Thank you and God bless. Someone rightly said, take a quiet walk with Mother Nature. It will nurture your mind, body and soul. So I once again thank everyone for making this program successful, and God bless all of us.